BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The Microsoft Edge PDF viewer and reader found in the Edge browser, some would say is one of your better PDF readers that is currently available in browsers that are out there today. Now, in this video, I just want to highlight 4 new features that Microsoft is testing for the PDF viewer and reader in the Edge browser, which they are testing in Edge Canary, which is a pre-release version where Microsoft tests new features and experiments on new features that could possibly roll out to the stable version in the near future. Now, as far as I am aware, none of these features that I'm going to show you in this video today are available in the stable version of the Edge browser, and as mentioned, these could possibly roll out to the stable version in the near future. So if we just go to a simple PDF file in the PDF reader and viewer, which is just a sample PDF, the first feature, just to show you that Microsoft is currently testing in Edge Canary, is there is a little gear icon which says settings and more in the top right of the toolbar, and you will see there is a option to hide all annotations. So if you highlight any text, or in this case, if I just add text, just as an example, I'm going to enter A, B, C, D, and I'm just going to increase the size so you can see. So any text or annotations or highlights that you have made in the document, you can just simply go up now to the gear icon and click on Hide All Annotations, and that will remove any highlights, annotations, or text that you have entered. So that could be a nice new handy feature just to get rid of any highlights and annotations that you have made in a simple process in the actual PDF document. And then the next one is also in the gear icon. So if we go back, you will see View Document Properties. So if we click on that, you get your document properties where you get your description, you get the file name, file size, title, author, subject, keywords, which are not available as I'm just using a PDF sample, your date it was created on and the time, modified on, and your creator. And then you get an advanced section where you get your PDF producer, PDF version, your location where the actual document is located on your hard drive or your system, your page count, which in my case is 2, your page size, and if fast web view is available, which in my case it is not. So that's the document viewer. And then the third feature being tested currently in the PDF reader is the full screen mode, which is right next to the gear icon called Enter PDF Full Screen. And this, I think, would be very handy for those who are doing a lot of presentations who use PDF files. As you can see, it hides all the aspects of the browser, and also the PDF reader's toolbar is also hidden, and you can just scroll through the document with your mouse and your scroll button on your mouse if you would like to view the different pages. So I think full screen mode will be handy, as mentioned, for presentations in the future. And then the last feature is on a controlled rollout, and I have not received it yet, which is thumbnail view. Now currently you have a table of contents, which if you click on it will just, you can actually just see the different pages and divides those pages into contents. Now the thumbnail view mode will be a little icon above the table of contents now, which will appear, which will give you a thumbnail view, and when you click on it, a little thumbnail view of each page will appear to the left of the document here in this open space. That will just give you a thumbnail of each of those pages that you can view. So that's those 4 new features I mentioned in the beginning that Microsoft is currently testing: the hard annotations, the document properties, the full screen mode, and the thumbnail view mode, which could roll out to a stable version of the Edge browser, and I think would be handy additions to the already popular Edge PDF viewer and reader in the browser. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.